Well, trouble for Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister DK Shiv Kumar in peak poll season. An FIR has been registered against DK Shiv Kumar on the allegations of bribery and influencing voters while he was on the campaign trail. Pratibha Raman is now live with us. So, Pratibha, what exactly is the FIR? So, certainly bad optics for the Congress. The BJP, of course, trying to corner the Congress on corruption allegations in poll season. And now this FIR accusing DK Shiv Kumar of bribery and influencing voters.
Well, in fact, this FIR comes based on one of the statements that was made by DK Shiv Kumar while he was campaigning for his brother in Bengaluru rural constituency, one of the areas called RR Nagar. Remember, RR Nagar was also a place where there was water crisis in the recent past in the city of Bengaluru. And he was really talking about how their water connections as well as the electricity connections would be cut in case they wouldn't really vote for DK Suresh. This is the statement made by DK Shiv Kumar that hasn't really gone down well for the BJP, who immediately approached the Election Commission and lodged a complaint based on which this FIR comes as an allegation that has been made on DK Shiv Kumar for the statement that he has made. And this will definitely be a setback for DK Shiv Kumar, who is already facing a lot of cases with respect to the disproportionate assets case, as well as the IT department that has been looking into the money distribution that was made for the voters with respect to his close aides as well. In the recent past, DK Shiv Kumar did mention that he is being harassed by the BJP, and this time too, he calls this as political vendetta. In fact, I'm here at one of the BJP rallies where Prime Minister Modi would be addressing the crowd shortly. The poll plank is being set ahead of the Lok Sabha election. Now the FIR will definitely become a setback for DK Shiv Kumar. We are yet to hear reactions from the Congress on this. Back to you.
Pratibha, thanks very much for joining us with that. Interestingly, you're there at the BJP rally. Of course, Karnataka, key seats from Karnataka going to polls in the second phase. So trouble for DK Shiv Kumar. In fact, many Congress leaders have had poll code violation cases against them. They say that this is nothing but political vendetta.